Just burn the negative side of the attitude and put it inside. Okay. Let it burn completely. I guess this time it is not burnt, so you can burn it once again. Burn it once again. Burn. We'll ask the girl to please lift it. Don't worry, it will not fall. It's the positive attitude which is going to keep the balance between the knowledge and the skills. So please raise it to a height which you can. It will not fall, don't worry. Raise it. So as you can see, she is fumbling a lot, trembling a lot, but still the balance is properly maintained until the time we are going to disturb it. Please keep it the same way. We'll ask someone else to lift it as well. You can also lift it. No. We have lifted it, but still it is maintaining the balance between knowledge, skills and a right attitude. There is no magic, it's a science, and very interestingly anyone can lift it until the time we are going to disturb the balance. Now people are feeling that if I be doing and it gets disturbed, it's falling, that means I have not a right attitude with me. No problem. You can also do the same. It will just swing a lot, but it is not going to fall because it is completely a science. It's completely a science. You can. Anyone can do it. Center of force.